What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another beat breakdown. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm works in my favor and these videos can get shown to the right people. So as you can see by the title, we are making a Protect type beat. So, Protect just recently dropped the album, SlimeDude2003. And so we're going to try to make something that I think, in my style that I think he would hop on. So if you haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. And let's go ahead and hop into it and get into FL Studio. All right, guys, we are in FL Studio. And here is the first sound that I started off with. I'm just going to run through everything. And as always, once we get to the end of the video, if you guys stick around, I will show you the full breakdown, all the VSTs and the Midis and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and hear this first sound. All right, so that's all the melodies. What I noticed with his beats and his selection are he always picks like those ambient, very melodic beats, something that kind of sounds very like soft, but usually has hard hitting 808s and drums and things of that nature. And usually they're pretty simple, nothing too crazy or anything like that. I definitely think my style and his style definitely mesh really well. I definitely got to try to get something to him and see if I can try to put a song together with him. But that's the main thing, is just trying to make sure you get those ambient melodic sounds, something that's a little bit not simple but not too complex, and then you want some type of main melody that really sticks out and that's present, that you can actually hear. So let's go ahead and listen to all the drums, and I'm gonna just play all the drums all at one time, let you guys hear that. And I have two different 808s, so I'll play them both for you guys. So here's the first set of the first 808 with the drums, and we'll go ahead and listen to that. And here's that second 808. Now with his style, the thing that you kind of want to remember to do is give like have a little two-step or a little slight snare roll at the end of each 4-bar loop. That really kind of gives it that Protect vibe. And then just make the 808s hit kind of hard, but not don't have them overly aggressive. Don't have it like the main showpiece of the beat, and you should be pretty solid. So let's play everything all together at one time, so you can hear everything together. All right, so let's play everything all together at one time so you can hear it all at once. And you guys will hear the second 808 once I play it through the beat. So let's go ahead and hop into song mode and go to the arrangement screen, so you guys can hear that. And as always, if you guys that only stick around for halfway through the tutorial just to hear the how I kind of put things together, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe on the way out the door. And you guys that like to stick around and get all the sauce, I appreciate you guys. You guys really help out the algorithm. So if you stick around, we'll be able to see the VSTs, the midis, and everything at the end. But let's go ahead and hop into this breakdown now, and I'm going to play half the beat for us. So let's go ahead and get started.
It's a malign beat. Oh.
All right, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stick around only for the halfway point. For you guys that like to see all the sauce and get everything, so let's go. We're gonna hop into that so you guys can get all of that and see exactly how I did what I did and what sounds I used, VSTs and all that other good stuff. So on your way out the door, for you guys that leave, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's go ahead and hop into this beat breakdown. So we're gonna start off with our first melody here. And that's it, guys. Nothing too spectacular, nothing crazy. Definitely think I hit the nail on the head as far as making a Pro Tech type beat, something that sounds like it within his style, something that he would probably rap on. So if you guys haven't already, again, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel, and play these videos, man. Play these tutorials, learn something from them, drop something in the comment section to either help somebody else out or ask a question so I can help you out. Just interact with the video so this video gets pushed out there to the right crowd and the right people. So all you guys that stick around for the whole tutorial, I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. And yeah, that's all I got. If you guys got questions, drop them in the comment section. Any advice, any input, if you hear somebody else on this or anything like that, or whatever video you want to see next, or a different type of type beat tutorial, definitely reach out to me. Let me know what you want, and then I'll try my best to put that together. And we'll, continue to be creative every week, man, whether it be engineering, producing, something of that nature, business on actual type beat tutorials or doing things on YouTube, that kind of deal. I'm going to start doing a lot more of that as well. And yeah, that's all we got for this week. We'll be in it next week. Peace.